Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you being here as always. This is going to be a quick video, I'm telling you. But you're going to want to watch it because it's kind of cool. Especially if you're into photography or selfies or YouTubing or what have you. Okay, this is going to be on the Ulanzi or Ulanzi, Ulanzi. We'll go with that. This is their new tripod system, which is this. Now this is pretty cool. You can hook it up to about any camera. They have all different, the 1/4-20 screw, it's really simple. But the cool thing about this is you need to, change cameras out, or you need to do all that, you just twist and pull. It has these magnets, which are really cool and very strong. Twist it to lock it in, you're good to go. Okay, that is one of the biggest benefits I've had because I've had to change out cameras fast. So, but the thing is, on this one, you do have a tripod. So it sits like that on your table. Now, another cool thing is, a lot of people don't have long enough arms when they do their selfies or they do their vlogging or what have you on the run. Not everybody has a place to do it, so they got to do it where they're at. So this one here, you just give a quick pull and it gives you that much more extension. So you're looking about 6 inches there, and then you can kind of turn it like this, and you got yourself a really nice selfie stick. Well, this is really a cool item. It's inexpensive. I have the link in the description. This is just one of those things that are very light, by the way, so it's not, your arm isn't going to go crazy. Now some cameras you can put, I've had actually a Canon camera on here. This made it a whole lot lighter. They have all different connections here that you can buy, but yeah, it really works well, and it's one of those things you might want to just add in. A lot of people don't know about it, so here you go. Like I said, it's a great selfie stick. Doesn't tire out your arm because it's very light, and seems to be pretty sturdy. Good quality. Has a kind of it has rubber inserts here where it gives you a nice grip. The only one thing is sometimes people can't hold and while they're filming, and that little bit of movement like that, chances are the microphone and your camera are going to pick that up. But it's very rare, so you just can't do this. Okay, so hold in your hand, turn your camera, what have you. This really works well, and like I said, it's not, I think it's under like 13 bucks right now. So you may want to give it a shot. Like I always say, the link is in the description if you want to go check it out and see what price is on now. They do have sales on them all the time. And Ulanzi, in my opinion, is one of the top companies for accessories for cameras. So, with that said, I appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.